Because a dynamic economy, a growing economy, is a sharing economy.
That's right. I call that the circle of success. I am successful as a businessman, entrepreneur.
Yeah.
If I help somebody in there,
Yeah.
that person one day will return that, and his payback will be to help somebody.
Yeah.
So if you continue that circle of success, then the economy will grow.
Parang family yan, ha? Si kuya mag-aaral, magkakatrabaho. He will
Tutulungan
finance
yan,
the
yes.
education of the younger siblings.
Tama.
Then the younger siblings also handle the much younger siblings.
Tama. So it just keeps revolving.
Yeah.
So I always tell many of our entrepreneurs who come, karamihan dyan, mga babae rin. The bulk of the MSMEs are women. Maybe
Yeah.
90%
Yeah.
are women.
Actually, the largest MSME is the family. And the biggest managers are the housewives. That's 27 million households. An economic enterprise, that's very difficult to manage. Ha? Kaya nga mga babae, higpit sa pera.
Yes.
And balancing income, no? That is short most of the time. And meeting the needs of
Kung
the growing
lalaki yan,
family.
wala ng pera.
Oo, nawawaldas yan.
Nawala na
Tinataya
yan.
sa wedding, o kaya pinasasabong, o kaya nuubos sa inuman, no?
So the wife manages the family,
Yeah,
the business.
yeah, the business.
Yeah. So, and of course,
Educates the children, takes care of the children with his human capital.
kaya the woman is very important.
Yeah, and after all, we are a matriarchal society. 50.6% of the population are women. Tayo, we have the last word, and that's yes, ma'am.
In one aspect, the women are really more detailed, passionate.
Saka ang resilient nila. Saka they know what to do in times of emergency. Ang galing nila mag-manage. Ha?
And that's why we help the MSMEs because
So most of your MSMEs are led by women.
almost everyone are women. They're men, but predominantly they're women.
Maganda kasi sa women, they listen. Nagkikinig sila eh. May pagkachismosa sila.
Tayo, we don't listen.
Tayo.
We listen to ourselves lang.
Oo. Sila, they listen eh. Na-invento nga sa kanila word, marites. That's business intelligence. Galing nila business intelligence. Alam nila kung makano kinukupit mo eh. Kasi deficit yung capital.